Yo guys, what is going on? This is a completely random video. It's been a very hungover Sunday for me, but I'm finally starting to feel better, so I figured I'd just get out, maybe do a couple wheelies to help my hangover. I don't know. Yeah, I'm all geared up, but it's pretty damn hot right now. Yeah, just getting out today to practice a little bit, guys. Just go to a lot, maybe. I feel like I'm not doing enough lot time. Too many just street wheelies, which really isn't pushing me to improve. That's kind of what's going on right now. I'm gonna head there. Damn, someone must have absolutely wrecked there. Like totally wrecked. Oh, look at the train coming across. I never see that come across, I feel like. It's a beautifully warm night, but it's definitely humid. I guess it's late enough on Sunday that MLK is open. They actually close it down on Sundays and Saturdays, I think. Wait, what am I saying? Wasn't I riding this on Saturday? Man, I don't know. Whatever. Man, I can't even see where I'm going on that. I almost did take that corner though, which is pretty cool. Guys, I'm really hitting balance point now, I can tell, just because I can't see it all. Like the bars and the forks are totally blocking my sight of vision, my line of sight. Sight of vision, what the hell is that? But feels good, honestly does. I gotta just make sure I'm not dragging my foot on the rear brake too much. I actually ordered a new rear brake pedal because this one is all bent. It's been bent since I bought the bike. We've got new brake pads coming, a new bolt for this seat because the bolt fell off, so just some nice needed little kind of half maintenance type upgrades. All right, guys out here fishing. Here we go. All right, to balance point now. Back, yep. Slow it down, back. Drop back, yep. Drop back, yep. Drop back. Not terribly unhappy with that, honestly. Can't be. Still on the gas a little too much because we want to make sure that, you know, we're not just redlining the bike, which we weren't. I mean, towards the end of the wheelies, I always end up kind of redlining it. That's what I'm trying to avoid. I'm just trying to be able to be smooth on the throttle and only hit the gas a little bit and just stay right at balance point. That's the goal here. And obviously a slower wheelie. I accidentally upshifted there. Slow, slow, slow. That's it, slow. See, it might not be as long, but I like that because it's slow. All right, ready? See, this hill makes it really easy to wheelie. Again, guys, if you're ever trying to get out and practice, definitely find a hill. It helps. You don't have to go nearly as far back, so it's hence not as scary, easier to wheelie. So if you're just learning, find a hill like this, and it'll be a lot easier to wheelie. And look, I can go pretty slow here, so I don't have to lean as far back to hit balance point. Of course, I mess it up when I'm talking about it, but yeah, find a hill you can go pretty slow. Would you looky here? It's the bridge again. This bridge and I have some beef. Oh yeah, I love this. Slow, controlled, not redlining. A little windy. Save it. See, I am totally not unhappy with that. I need to relax my hands more though. Jeez, I'm gonna give myself arm pump by how hard I'm gripping this. You good?
His car, his bike, I mean, he felt like a little dizzy. The car hit him. His bike fell. They
and they took off? Or did they just leave?
Yeah, and he's a heart patient.
Yeah.
He just said he felt a little dizzy, but...
Alright, so apparently this dude got hit by a car or something. But he now feels dizzy, and he said he felt dizzy before he got hit by the car. He has like a heart condition. I don't really know what's going on. He was taking a breather. They gave him some water. Now we're just like kind of trying to escort him back to his house, I guess. I don't know what's going on, but hopefully he's all right. I mean, he's riding right now, so I guess that means he's feeling a little bit better. Is this guy good? I also don't want to go where they're going. Are you good to escort him there?
Yeah.
I got to spin, but okay, yeah, cool.
Okay.
You guys are great for, yeah. There's not anything I can do. Back to the originally planned content. That is this. Definitely getting more comfortable sitting far back at balance point here, which is awesome. Definitely feel like I'm getting further back. Let me know what you guys think though, if it looks like that as well. Ah, okay, okay. One cheek, only one cheek on. Ah, okay, I'm over it for now. It's too hot to do that right now. It's cool, it's a stage back here, huh? And a trail, maybe? Okay, that is not a trail, that is a cliff. Alright, gotta stretch out the hands before we do this bridge. Let some traffic roll by. Get them nice and loose. There we go. Yeah, this bent shift lever is weird because it's got like my boot sticking to it with the way it's bent up. So I'm excited to have the new one on there. I just got an OEM one, but it was like $14. And I'm like, I'm not trying to spend 50 bucks on a new one, like an aftermarket one. I'll just spend 14 bucks on the stock one that isn't bent. So that's what we did. All right, guys, we're gonna spin around here real quick. I'm going to try and wheelie this whole little stretch here because it's straight for a good amount of time. So let's try it. Fuck. Damn it. Gotta stop dragging my foot. I'm dragging the rear brake with these boots, unfortunately. Need to relax my hands. Slow it down again. Ah! Sounds like I just blew up my motor. Whew, I won't lie, guys. My hands, they are freaking pumped up. Arm pump. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, see, I could have gone longer, but I just saw this video today of this dude whose hand cramps up, and basically he just like accidentally revs the shit out of the bike and loops, obviously, so my hands are like super pumped right now. So that's why I put down the wheelie. It's called being responsible as I do wheelies in traffic. Am I a part of the Harley squad now? He's like, get this man away from me, I'm turning right. Bye, Mr. Harley Rider. Ah, Ford Ranger, nice truck, man. Hell yeah, love that truck. Oh, I just got hit in the eye by a bug. Not cool. Let's get some more arm pump. Oh, we are far back, guys. I mean, I hope the GoPro shows it, but I feel like I'm far back, more far back than I even was in last video. Like I'm just like getting even more and more far back. further back, as some would say. Well, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I think I'm gonna call it here. It's getting dark. But please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you next time. Peace. Sorry about that. Peace.
Dior, Gucci, Roy, Tusi. She's a movie but means nothing to me. A-list.